Well, I just finished dinner, which was a delicious rooster noodle soup. We also had some homegrown cucumbers that we pickled, so we call them pickles. And there was some kale, which I was told was just delicious. And we also had some, well, I don't know, I had some jalapenos. But that's beside the point. So today, uh, I keep hearing rumors that we have this little grow up in the basement, and I haven't been in yet. So I wanted to show you all, or to bring you along on my very first journey into the depths of the basement to witness this grow up. I'm not sure what's going on down there, but I'm sure it's exactly what we're all thinking. So let's go find out. Here's the basement door. It opens. It doesn't look too promising, but I think that's pretty standard for most grow ops. Clutch. Okay, there's some canning. There's some canning going on. This is honestly not what I wanted to be down here, but can never complain. There's toilet paper. Oh, there's some good bud in there. All right. So you're getting closer. This is just a furnace in boxes, so this is kind of boring. Ceiling's like 4 feet tall. Oh, here we have it. Some stuff. All right, let's check this out. Whoa! Empty containers. Man, there's nothing here. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see if we can get underneath this plastic. Whoa. This is kind of cool, huh? Okay. I don't know at all what we're growing. But, you know.
Okay, I read all the labels. This is green onion, that's brown onion, that's blue onion. There's a pumpkin. This is, wait, what was that? Arugula. That's spinach. Those are more green onions. Those are just tulips for some reason. This right here that's just grass. There's nothing growing in that one. I'm not sure. I think it's maybe sunflowers. That's basil. That's basil. That's pomegranates. More arugula. That's sage. And, I think that's mustard seed. So, a lot going on down here. The temperature is 19.3. Well, it's 19.3 degrees Celsius, which is, that's actually equal to Fahrenheit at that temperature. So it's pretty chilly, but we're in this big plastic poncho, so it keeps the heat in.
It's not always easy being tall. The perimeter has been set, and it is ticking because of the garden, I assume. So now the goats are no longer free range. They're stuck in this pasture of dead grass. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I can't feel it. I used to live in this. That's probably why I go around touching electric fences. It was not a good summer. Hey, rooster! Ah! 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 Why are there so many birds? There's bare birds in the fields. This is a very strange time we're living in right now, and I feel especially affected as a straight man because I've had to learn how to wash my hands after using the bathroom, and that's been difficult for me, and I'm sure many other people out there. Um, but you know, I'm sure if I can do it, then so can everybody else. So I just hope we all can stay strong.